afternoon mga ka-Berks. Venue for today's event, San Miguel Foods main office. Meron tayong stealth walkers dito, roaming around siya 3 hours. Naka-face mask kami, talagang required ni client. And kailangan naka-uniform. Yan. Umpisa na yung event natin. Pero tanggalin ko muna face mask for today's video lang. Photo off na po.